Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of digital marketing and helping you set up the initial checkout event for your TikTok pixel using Google Tag Manager. If you are looking to optimize your TikTok advertising efforts and track crucial events on your website, you are in the right place. Before we begin, make sure you have to already watching our part 1, 2, 3, which is page view event, view content event, and add to cart event. So now we are going to set up the initial checkout event for TikTok Pixel by using Google Tag Manager. Now we come to the Google Tag Manager. For initial checkout event, we need to some extra parameters, that is TikTok contents. Already I created extra video for this parameter. This link will be the description below. You can check out this video for understanding the TikTok contents. Firstly, I want to create the trigger, new, custom event. We are going to our tag assistant. Here is the event name, begin checkout. Copy the event name from here and paste into the event name. The name will be the event initial checkout. Save. Then go to the tag, new tag. Select the TikTok pixel. Here is TikTok event configuration, pixel ID. We are collecting the pixel ID. Here is the pixel ID. Copy it and paste it. Trigger event, which event we have to track? Initial checkout. Initial checkout selected. Then object parameters. This will be the multiple contents. Here is the contents. We are getting the contents parameter in extra video. This video's link will be the description below. You can check it out. CJS TikTok contents, currency, DLB currency, value, DLB value. So we are putting the all of parameters. Then we are go to the triggering, initial checkout, and now put the tag name. That will be TikTok initial checkout. Save. We are already complete the process. Now we are go to the preview options. Our initial checkout event is working or not. Then preview, go to the site. We are opening the multiple product page and check it out. Our begin checkout event is perfectly working or not. This product, we are add to cart, and second one, we are also click the add to cart button, and third one is we are also click the add to cart button. Then go to the view cart. Then our desired event is checkout. So finally click the checkout button. Click it and back to the tag assistant. See, TikTok initial checkout tag is fired. Then we are also go to the variables. Here our CGS TikTok contents array is perfectly working. All products are showing here. Now we are go to the TikTok pixel helper. Here also initial checkout is working. Congrats, we have successfully set up the initial checkout event for TikTok Pixel with GTM. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.